was Kane from the start.
No, it actually is. People just letting go of the traitor trait. It's Kane. It's Kane.
Oh,
He comes around the corner as soon as they're done.
What's your proof? What the fuck? Someone's died.
Oh, get in.
Jared!
Door. Open.
Wait, is that not?
There we go. Bed.
It's
I'm
Kane.
saying-
Leave out for the front doors.
Don't be
It's-
here.
It's Kane.
Alright,
It's
come on,
Jared,
let's
hello?
go kill Kane then.
It's Jared again. 100%.
It's Jad.
Yeah, it's Jared.
Jared is dead.
You kind of blame me. Oh, he's dead. Alright, it's safe
Can
then.
I pick up bananas with?
What's
Why
going
can't
on,
you just press
Tristan?
E and pick shit up?
Riley, can I trust you?
Sol,
Yeah, I'm a
what are you doing?
jester.
Well, I mean, I've not
Oh, I
really
was a
shot at
jester
anyone the whole
rather.
game yet, so.
Why Kane, mate?
What are you doing, you?
What are you looking at?
It's Kane. I saw him. Look at him. I just shot you.
Good.
Well, I have a delivery for you, Kane. Someone wants to kill
I'm
you.
gonna hide in the piano room. Fuck
Oh,
that.
Yeah, let's fucking hide. I'm too scared.
Alright, thanks.
So you look cool with the AUG in
What's going on in
third
this room then, Kane? That's one.
It's just
Check
me
it
in
out.
here.
He's
Oh.
teabagging an ammo box. All right, ban him.
What?
Is this your child?
Kane's chasing me, Kane's chasing me, Kane's chasing me. With murderous intent.
Basically.
So why is there so much blood here?
It's Kevin's.
I swear
Why
Jared
is it
shot me
shift
once.
talking?
Where's Kevin? I want to see Kevin.
Why is Kevin on the wall?
Yeah, it's his son.
Why is it
What's
shift to talking game, Trevor?
Wait, what can I'll pop it there.
Kane, is this your child?
I'm trying to post John Billy.
Fortification in the corner over here.
No.
Goodness.
So can we have a roll?
Yeah, man.
call?
Yeah.
A roll
Yeah, can we have a
call?
roll call?
So I'm innocent?
Don't.
I'm the Phoenix. Oh,
What the?
I'm just shooting at things.
what just happened?
I don't know. I got revived and I just started shooting people.
Riley, like, what was that?
I definitely. Oh, I've got the lowest camera again. Okay, so I shot the wrong people.
How did you check your camera?
I just saw Riley walking through and miss me and then
Oh,
shoot me.
does it top right?
Yeah, I thought Riley was
Yeah,
like
I can't
fucking
Why was
IQ jester play. Even
Yeah.
though I was the
No,
jester.
me and Riley were.
Yeah. We were teabagging in the room.
Oh, it's a no detective.
You looking at?
What's your beef, so?
Who's
You've
up
got
here?
me in.
Who's that?
Low's got me
Just
back
been-
into a corner. He's
just gonna
pointing
turn
his
on
big
the
massive shotgun at me.
Jared.
Detective Max 1.
He's pointing a big massive shotgun at me. So I was gonna shoot me
Yeah.
in the head.
There you go.
How can you
Right,
be
there should
so
be
sure?
there should be a detective next round.
Alright, do it. You won't.
No.
Wait, what about the minimum players? Min
God.
players.
I don't know if that's good or
Don't me.
One it's in the head.
not. Damn. If only I could aim.
If only.
Oh my god, so I'm actually gonna murder you.
Jared, back off, bro.
Scary, scary.
Yo,
scary.
yo, yo, yo,
Jared
don't
got
kill
a big
me.
massive shotgun.
Oh,
I'm not afraid to
Hey,
use.
don't kill
you
me.
know that flashlight?
Rain sounds.
Oh, I
Dude,
love
it's-
that room, Jared. I want to go over there, but you're gonna be suspicious.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Alright, you get out of it, yeah.
So why can't I join you guys?
You
I
see
don't
that?
trust you.
Why don't you
we
trust me?
him.
He's a
trust him,
jester.
Jared.
He's a jester.
I've done nothing
Whoever's the
to not
traitor was
prove
one
my
of the
innocence.
people that
Alright,
were in
shoot me in the
attic.
foot,
I just
shoot
saw
me
a
in the foot.
Why would I
slam on the
shoot
wall.
you?
Shoot me
with
in
the
the foot.
crowbar. Hit me with the
With a
crowbar.
shotgun.
Yeah.
With a
No,
shotgun.
here's
you
the
want to
crowbar.
shoot
Here's the crowbar.
Who's
Go on.
that?
Oh yeah,
I'm not
someone-
gonna harm anyone.
Kane,
Someone
it's
died.
Kane! It's actually Kane. What?
How do you
Trying to
know?
turn off the light switch.
Because he placed a slam upstairs,
Yeah,
What do you mean?
so a slam's just been placed in this room right here.
and then he killed someone or something, right?
It is Kane. Yeah, I heard.
He
slam.
ran out of the place where someone got shot at. And
Kane, you're a
when he
dirty
left
gimp, yeah.
upstairs, there was a
What
slam
a-
the way he went, so...
Alright, Jared, let's go back.
Why are you staring
You know what,
at
I
me?
bet-
will
I
end
bet,
you.
right?
Who?
Who's setting off these now?
Who was
Oh,
down
so I'll
here?
come back.
You need to sort come back. Fuck off.
Someone's
Lucky I was
going
a
down
Phoenix.
there.
I got fucking shot down here, and I'm back
Oh.
alive. Who was that? I'm pissed.
Frank!
I'm pretty sure it was
What do you
Kane.
want, Zach?
What if
We can
Onions
stay safe
baiting
in
off his?
here,
What if Onions baiting off
No,
his
no, I'm
teammate?
survivalist, I got
Damn it.
radar. I can tell you who everyone is.
Alright, Zach, let's hold down this room.
Mhm.
I don't have any points left.
happening?
Oh, Alex!
Alex, play
Yo, Kane, add me
team
up.
mod
Make
with
me
us.
add
Playing
me, yeah.
TTT.
I don't have Counter
Like,
Strike.
I'm not sure that I trust you with it.
I'll never call you salad fingers ever again if you do this.
Why though?
Bean,
Then you can live in peace,
what's your problem, Bean?
and we can play Halo tomorrow.
I'm just, who's the traitor?
Oh yeah, Bean, you should.
What's
you
your
should
problem,
join
Bean?
me.
Oh yeah, Beans, do Halo with me and Kane.
Yeah, I've got it installed, I think.
Yeah, we're doing Legendary
Why
on
not?
Yeah,
like
you should play with us.
We're gay, Ming.
Who are these
All
two?
of a sudden,
How do you
I'm
even get
playing
into
So
video
what the fuck
games.
did you just do? Okay,
We
yeah.
were.
Don't actually load up my Gmod. Holy shit!
Hold up.
Alex Carter is mad
So
and
I've seen
needs your help.
Titanic where all the
Turning this
boat-
back on.
Alex Crowther is just a permanently angry person.
Yeah.
Alex Grover eat burgers and shit.
Aye.
Sorry, Alex. I
Thomas
didn't mean it.
Brooks. he's
It was a
very
Thomas
good.
Brooks reference.
This really do be a Thomas Brooks.
Chad, you
reference.
good, bro?
Yeah,
Gonna
yeah.
come back with me and Sol?
I don't trust Sol.
Why not?
Well,
Oh, fuck you.
I
Is it-
trust him. He's gained my
since-
trust.
Yeah,
He's gained my
since
trust.
day one he pointed a shotgun at my head.
Yeah,
He's
but
doing it again!
this shotgun is for self-defense, Jared. I hope you realise.
Piss off, Jester. Stop! Who's that back
I
there?
know exactly who it was with the light switch. Ah, okay.
So?
I don't like the fact that Justin sort of sat behind the piano.
How do I join?
I want to see what goes
Floating-
on.
I'm
You know
floating
what I
right
mean?
in front
What,
of you.
behind
You
the
know who
piano?
you are. You know
I mean,
who
I can
you
see
are.
out all of it. I can see literally
your-
everything in that room. What's
Oh
going on?
no.
I can
Wait,
see
Not your gun.
What do you mean?
all
That
three of
door.
you.
Turn around, going through that painting.
Oh.
I know.
So you're getting awfully close with
Jared?
that
I'm
shotgun.
just playing the piano.
Wall banging him.
If I was playing the piano, just 2
Kill me,
seconds.
Zach, and you'll find out I'm innocent.
Oh, I don't
Retard.
want to kill you.
How do I join?
Where's Kane
15.
gone? Is he dead?
Just
I'm
join
actually-
us through.
Kane's not dead.
Forgot about
Well,
that.
there's still two of you that are bad guys.
I know one of them.
Easy.
Yeah, but at least
Nice.
eliminating one of them's good
Look
enough.
at me.
right?
Look at me on the floor.
I think Beans is one of them, you know.
You got me with
Yeah.
that
What? I did
trap
nothing wrong.
ass. Put me down. You killed me twice.
No, Zach, please get rid of the huge.
And now
You'll
now
lose
I'm
every
taking
gunfight.
into the-
This
into
FAMAS
the-
right
Oh,
here,
oh.
take it.
Kane!
Is the huge shit?
Yes, it's awful. Right, so Sol's
Okay.
the Jester.
What tells you that? What
Oh.
gives that away, huh?
Well, if you weren't, you'd hit me with your crowbar right now.
But I'm not going to harm another human being.
Ah, okay.
Does that heal you?
Would you not even do it in the name of
Take your
science?
flashlight off.
Shit, panic.
Please shoot people! Oh my. You actually gotta be kidding me.
I couldn't shoot because we're all in single file.
Because the stupid Jester was humping my ass.
I just fucking shot the jester.
Also,
what does
Kane,
Jester do? What
it
is
still
Jester?
affects traitors.
Does it?
Yeah. Jester.
It shouldn't do. Question mark.
You've got like quite the nice view from there.
You fucking ghosting bastard.
Hmm.
You're gay.
What was that? Assassin's Creed? Then what was that about? Drop down and shoot me.
Oh, there's vectors in this one.
Jump scare, bro.
I
I
saw you
want
little
that on you.
bald black kid.
Yeah, so
Onion.
I
Onion,
shot
you're gonna
Violet
kill
right at the very
me,
start.
Bison.
Crank!
Yeah, you killed me twice. Twat.
I didn't mean to. I
Right, let's
swear.
look at each other, so...
No, I don't like this kind of situation.
In case, okay,
Like, I... Kind of
I
scares
am
me.
the detective.
No, I don't
Wait,
understand
is there a
it. That last
detective?
game-
I'm the
Yeah,
detective.
yeah.
Oh,
There is
Pog!
Game, what does the Jester do in that last game?
the whole goal is to die.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
You
fun.
can't actually hurt anyone, Riley. Basically, what you gotta do is you gotta pretend that you're shooting
You
people.
want someone to kill you.
You want someone to kill you, yeah.
Are you
Just
the
not
jester?
traitor.
the
If
traitors
they tried
know
to
who
kill
you
you, they
are.
just fucking betrayed you, and like, it's pretty sad.
Are you the jester? Like, wait, so what are you doing? You?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Here?
Fucking roaming around the attic.
Why
What
is
are you doing?
everything vanishing in my hands?
I don't know.
It's happening, Rolly.
I can't get out of here. I'm stuck
What's
in
that
this
in, Rob?
crevice.
Paparazzi. I'm the paparazzi.
There we go. I found a way out of the crevice, boys.
So I was the
You-
Phoenix, right? And Sol D, the man himself, shot me right in the head.
Oh yeah,
Baited.
Kane. I will.
And I saw him like skirt away.
I want to
Right,
dispute that
kill,
fact.
kill Sol on site. Is that?
Hey,
Kill
Andy.
him.
Auntie, you should play TTT with us.
I would love to, but I don't want to.
Good.
What?
Right. Now we have to guard his corpse.
Oh, Sol, you died.
Put it on the box.
What was it?
Sol, that was
Riley's-
that was sneaky. what you
Justin's
did to me.
there.
Yeah, what about it?
Yeah, Sol, it was a traitor.
Yeah, I know.
Walk around with a body in your hand.
You shot me like on the
Why not?
second.
No,
go.
leave it on there.
I want him on this one.
Right, well then. Wait, if you jump on this, then you can get up there, look.
What's going on
I'm
here?
just hanging from
We killed Sol because he killed me when I was the Phoenix.
What?
That's what it.
Oh,
Hello, Green Bean.
You look.
Kind of,
a Remington?
like beans.
I thought a Remington was like an actual... I thought it was a shotgun.
Oh, someone threw a high grenade!
Go on, Justin.
Justin just wiped out everybody in that room.
Yeah.
Roll.
Renegade.
retard!
Actually, if you turn the lights off one more time, I'm going to shit and stab you.
Should
No,
I be
press F.
concerned
Press F on your
about the fact that one of the things I'm downloading is a BFG
Oh, God.
explode sound?
I mean,
Yes, slightly.
Crouch, just crouch. There you go.
Is this?
There we are, one.
Alright.
Oh, you alright?
I got underneath
Okay.
us, you get in front.
Alright.
Oh shit.
What?
Beans?
Maybe we should go and assist.
Happening?
Might be so.
Someone's getting shot.
I think Zach's a jester.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a dead body in this room. Anybody?
Does
Someone
everyone
shoot me.
Inspect it
Someone
then,
shoot me.
Kane.
Zach, what are you shooting at?
Sorry.
Yeah, I
It
think
was
that's
Green
just...
Bean.
I just damaged you, right?
Yeah, you just shot me.
Yeah. I'm not a jester.
What?
We didn't damage.
Yeah.
Oh, you see that?
Yes.
Oh,
There you go.
I see someone.
Yeah, what you say,
what the
man?
fuck?
Yeah, you back up, bitch.
What are you two doing there?
Curious, Kane, that you were the first one on the scene after being dead.
Yeah, because I walked there and I just saw his dead body slouched in
As
the
they
corner.
say, the criminal always returns to the scene of the crime.
Oh, wait, Zach's
Ow,
not Jester.
Damage from that.
Yeah, retard, I said. I
Who's
was,
that?
but when Jester gets killed, they poke her from ball, don't they?
Oh, that's why you're laughing.
No, that
Someone-
means
someone
Zach should
shoot
still be
again.
the traitor.
Oh no, because I just got killed.
He got killed by Bean.
Oh.
Killed by
That,
Bean.
means
No.
Zach is dead. Unless
Killed-
he's a
killed by
Phoenix, now
Onion.
he comes back.
Wait, what do you mean you got
Killed
killed
by
by
Onion.
Onion?
What do you mean you got killed by
He
him?
says he was killed by an explosion.
My god, he's already dead!
What's happened to this
Oh.
room?
Alright, Jerry, let's split up and look for clues.
I think I
Yeah.
checked trying to slam or something. I don't know. I was looking directly on you.
I can hear a bomb. I can hear a bomb.
Where?
Yeah, there's something knocked you in the side.
Near that
Fuck!
room with the
Fuck!
rain. What?
Someone in
What?
front of me just got pooned from an unknown direction, from that room there.
Oh shit.
What room?
Adium, adium.
I'm upstairs. I just fucking watched someone drop dead.
Oh shit.
Who's that? So,
Jared! Jared, I'm just saying, but I don't really trust you at this point.
I just remember.
pick please.
Let's remain in our separate zones for now and wait for the killer to reveal
I
himself.
love it. Oi.
What the fuck was that?
Right, someone just drank something from this direction. I heard it.
I can provide range support, Jared, if you lure him out. I have a DNA
seat.
scanner. No, DNA sample found on target, yeah. Jared! Ah! It's Kane!
No!
What?
Fucking hell. That's one. Jared, you have to
Yeah.
trust it's not me.
I believe you.
I trust you now. So let's just close everything off for now so we
What's
can
that painting?
recuperate. Nice poon, Kane, you fucking retard. You're still alive. It's Riley.
Jane, did you kill me?
Yeah.
How did you do it? What did you do?
I planted 2 C4s
Question is
on like different corners of the house.
Alright, Jared, if you die, you have to say it quick fast.
I have 8 HP, so.
I know, but... Jared?
Yeah, bro?
Okay, I just have to make sure, you know? I
It's
had
alright. I'm hearing things being tossed about in the attic.
that was down here. Oh. Okay.
Bitch. I'm back. Guess who's a phoenix?
Yes.
I'm coming for you, Riley.
Do you see where he went, Jared?
Oh, no.
Did I shoot? Did I get that shot off then?
No,
Yeah,
you
but
missed.
he was the Phoenix, so he came back after death.
He was the mouse phoenix.
Mouse
Should have
thing.
checked his corpse.
Fuck is the rifle?
Stop turning that off.
Jared, if you accept it as a fact, you just accept it as something that happens, a map event, if you will.
Alright, I'm detective, boys.
I feel like this round is a lost cause.
The light gets
Why is
turned
it a
off,
lost cause?
gets turned back up, gets turned
Also,
off.
Kane, you gonna schedule a
Someone
map
gets
change
killed.
anytime soon?
I can do it, yeah. Let me do it. What map should we play on?
I don't know.
Alright,
Detective.
yep.
In here. Fuck out.
It's a good
Everyone
map.
who's innocent, come in this room.
Alright, yeah, everyone innocent in here.
This
If
is
anybody
club.
wants some bananas, you can have
Because-
some.
You
It's
mean
bar.
Stop.
Alright,
Should we vote
Just shut up,
Airbus?
oh.
I voted for Airbus.
What did it? What did it?
Where's the innocent room? Where do I have to stand?
Whoa.
Dangerous.
The innocent room. The innocent room has been jeopardized, and I'm
yeah, that
now
wasn't
moving
me, Justin.
location. I'm being shot at.
Running.
I got radar. There's 2 people in that back room.
Where?
What room?
What back
Which
room?
room?
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Oi!
Up
Someone
in
just
the
jumped
air.
behind me. What the?
Mushroom.
Stop there then.
Hold on. Who's that? Oh yeah.
Jared, you have wind, isn't it? How'd you get like that?
This was the room because I just escaped. I ran through this little jumpy thing here.
Piano room.
Bean shot me.
Renegade.
I'm in the piano room. This is what the
This is
innocent
a
room
very
was.
awkward standoff. Fuck. Shit.
Shit. Thomas Brooks eats burgers and
Shit, he does.
Oh, Crunk.
Fuck off, Kane.
Crunk. Come here, Crunk.
Crunk. It's
I'm being chased. It's Kane. I'm being chased by Kane.
Kane,
Oh
look-
my
Kane, look
god,
out.
Crunk.
Kane, look out! It's Sol.
Is it Sol?
I think so. It's Sol and someone else.
I'm trapped in a room with fucking Crunk. Wait.
What room are you
Oh
in?
my.
Ah, it's Sol.
Fucking. I
Help!
hate the Deagle
Help.
so much.
Help!
You lucky
Right, fuck you
bastard.
then.
Help! Kane, I need assistance.
Fuck you.
You don't
should
need
die,
assistance from
Jared.
Kane.
You deserve to die,
need it from
Jared. You're a
me.
criminal.
Where are you, Jared?
Oh, are you still alive?
No, Kane's just tried to kill me. I turned the lights off. Where are you?
I don't want to disclose that.
Body, I want to go and fucking.
Ah! The Deagle murderer is coming for me.
Oh, I got it right. Oh.
Oh shit.
Jared, where'd you go?
Move!
Oh shit! Don't shit! I'm fucking
I
scared.
heard that.
Look,
Where are
Kane's
you
on the
two?
stairs, Jared. Kane's on the stairs. Kane's on the stairs. Check.
Mm,
My proof. That's my proof to stop. Check the stairs. Kane's corpse. Check the corpse. Fuck,
Alright, I've checked it.
I killed him.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh, I still have to win the round. No.
Oh no, what's this?
Innocent win.
Oh.
Wait, who was it?
It
It's me.
was me and Jared.
Me
Oh.
gush.
Fuck,
that's-
Jared, I
Wait, it was
trusted
like- was
you as
like-
well. I was like, Jared, please just check his body.
And then, but like, you shot Sol, so Sol became the next innocent.
Did it say
Oh,
I'm
fuck.
constantly
I,
game
I
chat?
thought
Yeah.
I thought my death would have triggered like the
Can
simultaneous
you guys
death.
hear
would
me? You
have
guys hear me?
triggered.
Game
Yeah.
chat.
Jared,
Yeah,
were you
yeah.
not the traitor? Because you killed me right at the start of that last round.
I was the traitor. You might want to mute me, guys.
Yeah, I'll just gag you.
Gag him.
I just
Gag
don't
order
have
on Jared.
like thingy
Gag,
on at all.
gag.
Ah, look, it's Kane. It's Kane.
Hello, hi. Oh, yeah, Crunk. Thanks, good.
Oh, he's
Can I-
detective.
Oh,
Oh,
I didn't know you could get the P250 in this. P250 please.
Alright, I trust Beans instantly. Oh,
Jared's
I
unloading
did-
into that
I
I
did-
mean,
chandelier.
Bean's
Where did Crunk go?
detective, so like.
I am.
yeah, Beans detective.
Congle, I'm
Alright,
staring
let's
at you.
all chilling in a room.
What's time?
Oi,
It's all. Right, I'm gonna protect
that's
Beans.
Jared
with my
over there,
life.
shoot.
Whoever that is, just doing.
I'm nowhere. I haven't seen anyone yet.
He just went down that stairwell next to the light switch.
Okay,
so-
but I
But
did
Crumb,
it,
hit me
though.
with a crowbar.
I'm not the jester.
Oh,
Shut him! Oh, someone on the other doorway.
I just saw
Oh,
someone
someone on
get
this
fucking-
side.
I've been shot!
Let's get him.
You just shot him in the back of the head.
You have no proof that was me.
There we go.
Alright, Justin, we've got to fucking end this prick. Shot
Someone's
Sol in
up
the
here.
face. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, someone here, whoa!
Yeah, dickhead.
Oh, no, you're Jester in it. You're Jester for sure. Fuck that.
What?
Jared, hit me with a crowbar, yeah?
I missed. I
Who's
missed.
in here?
I missed.
Okay.
Okay, look.
Pete? Hello, Pete.
I bet you won't hit me with one once.
When we killed
Mm.
Kane.
Yeah,
I'm
you're
a
a pussy, that's
pacifist
all.
in it, and that's all.
Pussy-o.
He's shooting at me in the back of the
Pacifist, I
head.
don't do
You're a
that.
pussy-o, that's what you are. I bet you won't even throw a
I think it was
grenade
Jared
at
who
me.
was Jester.
I don't do that, innit? It's not me.
Well, I mean, Zach's not hitting me at all, so he might be the jester.
I'll hit someone else that isn't you then.
Alright,
Because you're weak, yeah.
go on then. That's fair, that's reasonable. I'm not the jester because I've killed someone.
Oh yeah.
Saul at the start. That's when Bean shot me. Legit, ask
do we do
Bean,
about that?
did you shot me, didn't you?
There you go.
Yeah, because I saw you shoot someone in the back of the head. I think.
I'm pretty sure that was Kane.
Oh, the ship's like the worst map, though.
Yeah, innit, that's why you picked Modern Warfare 2 Terminal.
You'll pick.
I voted for that every
No,
single
Modern Warfare
time
2
we
Terminal was
played
a
it.
Is that
TDM, bro.
also ship map?
Let's go
Which was
like,
huge.
let's go like Desert
What's
Village.
going on?
Jared.
Shit.
Oh, is it already
Oh my
changed?
gosh.
No, I think it'll. Oh,
Oh.
I finally asked. Look at that.
Yes.
Jared,